So the bite side screw, the bushing was kind of messed up, so I took it apart and fixed it. I couldn't crank down on it without it, without it, like, locking. So, yeah, I had to fix that. I honestly don't know how I fixed it. I just took it apart and, like, yeah. And now it's like this. It's super nutty, too. It's actually really cool. It's really bouncy. It's a lot bouncier than before. I love this thing. This thing will never die. It has like 0 play. It has a little. It has a little play. And there's like a little bit of tap. Honestly, the baliplus, it's upside down. The baliplus 2.5 kraken is a really worthy purchase, even though it's a clone. And you need to get on aliexpress, which can potentially be a scam if you don't look in the right places, which is kind of sad because it's like 0 support when you lose it, and you just end up wasting your money, and that's just bad. Catch y'all in the next short or video. I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out. Man, this thing's pretty nice. I just wanted to make a video after my 2-month-long hiatus. Man, I just cannot stop flipping this thing now that I fixed it. Yeah. See y'all later. Bye, guys.